Listen closely, fellow travelers, because I'm about to share something that could completely change how your next flight feels. If you're over 60 or traveling with someone who is, what you're about to hear could save you hundreds of dollars and make your journey far more comfortable. Airlines are sitting on a long list of free services designed specifically for senior travelers. But here's the catch: they rarely mention them unless you ask. After years of researching airline policies, I was genuinely surprised by how many of these perks exist that most passengers never hear about. Today, I'm counting down 13 free services senior travelers can ask for on almost any flight. These aren't loyalty perks or premium add-ons. They're services airlines already provide, but only to passengers who speak up. So grab a pen and paper. You'll want to remember these. Perk number 13, hidden premium comfort kits in economy. On longer flights, especially international routes over 6 hours, airlines stock luxury comfort kits containing travel-sized toiletries, moisturizers, eye masks, earplugs, and cozy socks. While these automatically go to business class passengers, economy travelers can often receive them simply by asking, and flight attendants typically prioritize senior requests. The secret is timing your request during initial boarding, not during busy meal service periods. Airlines order extras to account for no-shows in premium cabins, and crew members prefer giving them to passengers who need them most rather than letting them go to waste. If you found this first tip helpful and want to discover all 12 remaining secrets that could revolutionize your travel experience, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, because we're just getting started with the insider knowledge that airlines prefer to keep quiet. Perk number 12, free airport navigation and escort services. Large airports can feel overwhelming, especially with tight connections or mobility challenges. Airlines provide complimentary escort services, including golf cart transportation between terminals, assistance through security checkpoints, and personal guidance to your next gate. This isn't limited to wheelchair users. Anyone needing extra support navigating busy terminals qualifies. To arrange this assistance, mention your needs when booking or call customer service at least 48 hours before departure. Gate agents can often arrange last-minute help too, particularly for tight connections. Perk number 11, complimentary airport lounge access. While lounges typically require premium tickets or membership status, seniors sometimes qualify for free access through special circumstances. Many airlines have policies allowing lounge entry for passengers needing quiet spaces due to medical conditions, extended layovers, or overcrowded gate areas. Some loyalty programs offer occasional complimentary passes to basic members, and certain travel credit cards popular with retirees include lounge access. The key is politely explaining your situation at check-in. The worst they can say is no, but many seniors receive surprise day passes. After sharing these first two perks, I need to tell you about my special pro tip that I'll reveal later in this video. It's a booking strategy that saves hundreds of dollars every time you travel and makes all these perks even more valuable. Perk number 10, luggage assistance. Onboard and at the gate. Lifting heavy bags into overhead compartments poses risks for many seniors, but flight attendants are trained to provide luggage storage assistance. This help extends beyond carry-ons to retrieving items during flight and organizing personal belongings. Mention your need for assistance when boarding, or better yet, inform the gate agent beforehand so crew members are prepared. Airport staff can also provide packing guidance to make bags more manageable. Perk number 9, priority seat upgrades for seniors. While upgrades aren't guaranteed, seniors often receive priority consideration when better seats become available, especially with legitimate medical needs or mobility concerns. Gate agents and flight attendants have discretion to move passengers when flights aren't full, typically prioritizing travelers who would benefit most from extra space. Success requires making requests early and explaining specific needs rather than simply asking for better seats. Mention recent surgery, joint pain requiring legroom, or difficulty sitting in cramped spaces for extended periods. Perk number 8, free entertainment and tech assistance. long flights become more enjoyable with entertainment options, but not everyone brings headphones or understands in-flight systems. Most airlines provide basic wired headphones free of charge, especially on longer domestic and international routes. Some carriers offer tablets or portable devices loaded with movies, games, and shows when aircraft lack built-in screens. For seniors uncomfortable with technology, these devices can be much easier than streaming on personal phones. Flight attendants also help adjust volume settings and enable captions for hearing difficulties. Here's where smart booking becomes crucial, and this is that pro tip I mentioned earlier. If you really want to maximize these travel perks, start by booking smarter through trusted platforms that understand senior travel needs. Perk number 7. Complimentary blankets, pillows, and comfort items. Airplane cabins maintain surprisingly cool temperatures, especially on longer flights, and seniors often feel cold more acutely than younger passengers. While international and overnight flights usually stock blankets and pillows, they're not always distributed automatically in economy class. Flight attendants typically prioritize comfort items for seniors, particularly those mentioning feeling cold or needing back support. Small pillows make enormous differences for lower back comfort, and blankets help regulate body temperature throughout flights. Boarding early gives you the best chance of securing these items before supplies run low. Perk number 6. Extra water and premium snacks. Staying hydrated during flights is crucial for everyone, but especially important for seniors taking medications or having dietary restrictions. Flight attendants are usually happy providing extra water throughout flights, particularly when passengers explain medication needs or dehydration concerns. Beyond standard snack service, many airlines carry additional options like crackers, cookies, pretzels, or fresh fruit available upon request. Some carriers stock special dietary options, including low-sodium or low-sugar snacks, available early in flights. Perk number 5. Special meals at no extra cost. Airlines offer impressive varieties of special meals at no additional charge, including low-sodium options, perfect for seniors with heart conditions, diabetic-friendly meals, gluten-free choices, and various other dietary accommodations. These meals are often higher quality than standard economy offerings and prepared with specific nutritional needs in mind. Request your special meal when booking tickets or at least 24 to 48 hours before departure. If you forget to pre-order, ask flight attendants during boarding. They sometimes have limited special meal options for last-minute requests. Perk number 4. Medical support and in-flight assistance. Airlines are required to carry medical emergency equipment, and many crew members receive basic medical training. For seniors with chronic conditions, this provides important peace of mind during travel. While airlines don't provide oxygen on demand during flights, many allow passengers to bring approved portable oxygen concentrators with advance notice. Flight attendants can assist with medication reminders, help access medical supplies you've brought aboard, and provide support if you feel unwell. Some airlines carry enhanced medical kits with additional supplies beyond basic first aid equipment. Let me share another quick example. Robert, a 72-year-old with diabetes, used the special meal service and medical support assistance on his flight to Europe, and the crew helped him manage his medication schedule across time zones. Perk number 3. Free extra legroom and premium seats. Many airlines designate certain seats with extra legroom that they'll assign to seniors free of charge when available. These include exit row seats, bulkhead positions, and specially designated comfort seats. Ask early during check-in or at the gate while explaining any medical conditions making extra space necessary. Flight attendants and gate agents often work together, accommodating seniors needing additional room to stretch during long flights. While premium seats usually cost extra, many airlines waive fees for passengers with legitimate medical needs or mobility challenges. When booking directly with airlines or having specific accommodation needs, seniors often qualify for complimentary advanced seat selection. Perk number 2. Early boarding and assisted deplaning. Navigating crowded airports and aircraft can be stressful, but airlines provide comprehensive assistance during boarding and deplaning processes. This service ensures you can board at comfortable paces without feeling rushed by other passengers, includes help getting settled in seats and storing belongings. Gate agents can arrange early boarding, sometimes even before first-class passengers, giving plenty of time to get comfortable. During deplaning, crew members assist in exiting safely and efficiently, particularly helpful with mobility concerns or heavy carry-on items. Most airlines automatically offer priority boarding to seniors, allowing you to avoid stress and crowds of general boarding groups. Now here's where that smart booking strategy I mentioned becomes absolutely crucial for maximizing all these incredible perks. When you book through comprehensive travel platforms that understand senior needs, you unlock even more value beyond what individual airlines offer. I personally use and recommend Expedia because it's specifically designed for travelers who want convenience and comprehensive support. Expedia lets you bundle flights and hotels together, often saving up to 25% compared to booking separately. Their flexible cancellation options work perfectly for senior travelers whose plans might change, and they provide 24/7 travel assistance for delays, cancellations, and itinerary modifications. What makes this especially valuable is that when you book smart bundles, you're already positioned to take advantage of all the airline perks we've discussed. Plus, you get additional savings and support that individual bookings can't match. Expedia's platform makes it easy to compare airlines, find senior-friendly options, and secure the best deals while knowing you have comprehensive support throughout your journey. And now, as we always do, we've saved the absolute best for last. Perk number 1, full wheelchair and mobility assistance. The most valuable free service available to senior travelers is comprehensive wheelchair assistance throughout your entire airport experience. This premium service begins at curbside check-in and continues all the way to baggage claim at your destination, including help through security checkpoints, transportation between terminals, and complete assistance boarding and deplaning aircraft. You can arrange wheelchair assistance when booking tickets or by calling Airlines at least 48 hours before departure. Upon airport arrival, trained staff will be waiting to help you navigate every step of your journey, significantly reducing physical strain and travel stress. Even if you don't typically use wheelchairs, you can request assistance for long distances, stairs, or when carrying heavy bags. This service is completely free and designed specifically to make air travel accessible and comfortable for senior passengers. What makes all these services even more powerful is that most airline employees genuinely want to help senior passengers have positive travel experiences. The key to accessing these benefits is clear, polite communication. Speak up early, whether booking tickets, checking in, or boarding aircraft. Explain your specific needs clearly, and don't hesitate asking questions. Remember that these services exist because airlines recognize senior travelers have unique needs and deserve special consideration. You're not asking for special treatment. You're requesting services already available and designed specifically for passengers like you. The travel industry has evolved significantly to accommodate older adults, but these improvements only benefit you if you know about them and ask for what you need. Don't let pride or uncertainty prevent you from accessing services that could make your journey dramatically more comfortable and enjoyable. To make these travel perks work even better for you, remember that smart booking is essential. Use the Expedia link in the description to find exclusive senior-friendly packages and bundle discounts for your next trip. Their platform connects you with airlines offering all these perks while providing additional savings and comprehensive travel support. Your next flight doesn't have to be an endurance test. With these 13 free services in your toolkit, you can travel with confidence, comfort, and dignity. The friendly skies really can be friendly when you know exactly what to ask for. If this video helped you discover services you didn't know existed, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other travelers who could benefit from this insider knowledge. Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips that airlines don't want you to know about, and let me know in the comments which of these services you're most excited to try on your next flight.